Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today we will explain how to approve leave and how leave is displayed within a timesheet. The Time Filer system can be used both as an app and as a website. We will use the website throughout this demonstration. When an apprentice submits a leave request, you should receive an email notification that this request is awaiting your approval. Go to the Time Filer website, then click on My Leave. This table shows all the apprentices within your firm and their rostered hours for each day. The month is shown at the top of the page and the dates are shown at the top of each column. A leave request will be displayed in an orange box. Click on the box and you will see the details of the leave request. This shows the date, leave type, hours, and any notes or comments from the apprentice. If you accept the leave, please click Approve. If there is an issue with the leave, please click Decline and add a comment explaining why. Approving a timesheet with leave. The timesheet still needs to be submitted and approved, even if a leave request has already been approved. Payment cannot be made unless the timesheet has been approved, even if that timesheet is 100% leave time. The timesheet will show the leave here with the initials of the leave type. The summary table at the bottom also shows the details of any leave types. Please ensure that all timesheets are approved, otherwise payroll cannot be processed. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you're having any issues. Haere rā!